Hello, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, and my beloved kings and queens. Welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. Okay, y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to make a bracelet and a pair of earrings using these glass gems. Okay, so basically, what I'm going to do, the thing about these gems, y'all, is that you can find these gems anywhere. I got these from Dollar Tree. You can find them at Family Dollar used to sell them, but they don't sell them anymore. You can find this stuff at Walmart. You can find it at Joann's Fabrics, Michael's. You may even find this stuff at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure, but y'all can make some really awesome things using these gems. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. So you basically are going, I won't need these scissors. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need 3 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and one piece has to be, I'm going to cut that now. One piece has to be 12 inches long, and your other 2 pieces have to be 11.5 inches long. Okay, also make sure that you have some fish hooks or whatever hooks you're going to be needing. You're going to need four of these glass gems, and you're going to also need your handy dandy hot glue gun. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put a generous amount, and then I'm going to take my gem and I'm going to put it together like this and give it some time to and then I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Put a generous amount of glue. And then take my other one and put it right on top. And I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of earrings, like I said, and a bracelet. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set that right there and let that get hard. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is show y'all how to make the earring. So I'm going to use the piece that's 12 inches long. Okay, y'all, so basically you're going to take your piece, okay, once it's nice and stiff and hard, and you're going to put it, you're going to bring the wire up just like this on your piece. Okay, bring these 2 pieces together, and this is pretty much what you're going to have. And then you're going to twist this just like this one time, and then you're going to twist it again twice, and then you're going to take whichever piece and you're going to wrap it around. You're going to start wrapping it. So you're going to bring it down and you're just going to start wrapping it just like this. Okay, just wrapping it around like this. All right, one more time. And this is pretty much what you're gonna have. See that? And then you're gonna take your round nose pliers and come up and make a little loop. Just like this. Pinch that in. All right. Actually, y'all, yeah. And then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to pinch it. Pinch my wire like this. I made this kind of style before, but this is going to be something totally different. Okay, see what I'm doing? And then you're going to take this piece and you're just going to start rolling it up just like this. Just like this. And here is your earring. Okay, see how neat this is? Nice and simple. So that's your earring. And we're going to put on our fish hook. And it didn't take long to make these. So you put that on and bam, you got your earring. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to make your bracelet. So your bracelet, okay, you're going to take your bracelet and you're going to bring one piece over here. Let me do it this way. And then you're going to take your other piece and come over here like this. And you're going to bring them together. Now I got to try to make sure that they are, wait a minute, I got to make sure they're the same, that they're the same size. So let me straighten this out. Make sure these are the same size. Are these the same size? One is look like it's a little longer than the other one. Let me snip that. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here again and bring these two together like this. Squeeze them both in on the sides. Okay. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna start twisting. So let me show you what you're gonna do. You're going to hold it. See that? And you're going to twist this. Wait a minute. It's kind of hard to do to hold both of them at the same time. So let me put my hand over like this. And then you're going to start twisting this one of these sides like this. And you're going to twist this side all the way down just like this. Okay, I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. You got to put your hand on both pieces and then just twist it and keep twisting it down just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to come around to this side and I'm going to do this side the same way. Pinch these two together. All right, and then I'm going to twist it just like this. Make sure that when you glue these together that your glue is really, really hot, because the hotter the glue, the better the bond. If the glue is really super hot, you will have a good bond. If it's not really good, super hot, then you won't have a good bond. But make sure your glue on your glue gun is super hot, okay? So this is what we have. And then I'm going to come back over here and finish rolling this down. And I think this is long enough. It might be too long. And then I'm going to take on each end and just roll it like this. Take my round nose pliers and just roll it down like that. And I'm going to do this on both ends. Okay. All right. And here we have our bracelet. And then all you do is just go and you start bending it and forming it to fit your wrist. And you try it on. Yeah, this is, I made the thing a little big, but you can measure it to your wrist and make it the way you want to. And then you have yourself a gorgeous bracelet. with the matching pair of earrings. This is a really, really cute set. Now, I know some of y'all may make these and sell these, but this is a DIY and this is for your use only. If you decide to make these and sell these, you got to make sure that whatever adhesive you use, that is permanent. Because the one thing you don't want to do is make these, sell these, and give them to somebody else and it come loose. Now with the glue, with the hot glue gun, this has been permanent. I haven't had any problems with these. I haven't made these to sell these, okay? This is just something that I'm showing y'all that you can make and create using the gems, okay? Because it's just so many things that you can do, y'all, making and creating things. This can also be a ring, okay? And I'm gonna show you. This could be an adjustable ring. The same way you can make the ring pretty much the same way that you did with the bracelet. See how cool this is? I'm just giving y'all some different techniques that you can do, and then you can put your finger right in there and you got yourself a cool ring. So you can do the bracelet, the ring, and the earrings. And you could probably make a cute little choker. So you can do a whole set, okay? A whole set. So I just showed y'all how to take the bracelet and make it into a ring. Real easy, real simple, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this little DIY. I greatly appreciate y'all taking the time out to watch. Like I said, the sky is the limit. You can go to any craft store and find these glass gems. Okay? You can do so much with these gems, y'all. So much. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all for watching. And have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.